I had a great experience with Guardian. They gave me a quote very quickly. We had emailed them regarding getting moss removed from our roof, and I believe it was within 24 hours I received a response and a call to set up a time for someone to come out and take a look and get us a quote, which was great. And they came out quickly. The first gentleman who helped us out was very professional and personable, and was done, really quickly, but also clearly did a thorough job because he took a lot of good photos and was able to show us anything that needed to be repaired, which we did need a little minor repair on top of our roof. And so he gave us all of the information, gave us a fair quote. We had someone come out, I believe it was within about a month or so, which was great. It was good timing for us, and we were kept up to date with any changes in the schedule. And the gentleman who came out and did the work was also very personable and professional, made sure everything that we needed to get done was done quickly, and verified that with us as well. And I would absolutely recommend Guardian Roofing to my friends and family.